Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. I have turkey chops smothered in gravy with onion, rice and gravy, and fried cabbage. Today I'm going to be talking about, the question is, would I get a tummy tuck if I had the money? This is hot. Ooh. Turkey chop with some rice and gravy, fried cabbage, and go wrong. Okay. Would I get a tummy tuck if I had the money? Yes, I would. I have children, and I would just get the tummy tuck because I've done sit-ups, crunches, pull-ups, running, walking, and the baby fat is just not budging. It's just not budging. So I would definitely treat myself to a tummy tuck, more sort of like a mommy makeover, if I had the money. I would read up on it. I would treat myself. I would look up all the facts, look into a doctor, on risks, complications, before I move forward with the procedure. I'm going to get nothing else done except my stomach. That's it. This is so good. So good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And would you get a tummy tuck? Would you get your arms done? Anything on your body, would you get it done if you had the money to do so? Put it in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. I do different things on my channel. It could be vlogs, mukbangs, baking, cooking. I do different things on my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you get all my videos when I post them. And I'm about to be out. Peace.